Started making 3 to 5 times more than my job just by working from home. So guess what? I quit my job. Yeah. So now I am working about an hour every day, and it gives me all the time in the world I need to spend with my daughter. It's all thanks to this amazing system.
Hi, my name is David Miller. And in the next 2 minutes and 16 seconds, what you're going to discover is going to change your life. I'm going to show you how you can gain access to a secret system that allows ordinary people just like you to pull in profits like this. In the month of May, I made $306,947.70. And the month before that, I made $255,104.11. And in March, I made $254,961.80. Now, if you take a closer look, I'm actually making consistently over $200,000 month after month, just like clockwork. And in fact, for the past 12 months, I was able to generate over $2 million on the internet. It took me about 15 minutes to set up and start leveraging on this weird loophole. I wasn't exactly sure what I was doing, but I decided to wait. And boom! Within the next hour, I made $47.90. At first, I thought it might be a fluke. Can this really be real? I asked myself. But then the sale came in again 2 hours later. This time, the number was bigger. It was $279.30. In fact, by the end of the day, I made $563.14. I couldn't believe my eyes. I actually started to make real money online for the very first time. Then I decided to record down every step that I've done and turn it into a system, so that I can use this hidden loophole to generate cash online day after day. And in just 2 weeks, I was able to generate an amazing income of $28,000. Profit Genesis 2.0 not only shows students how to build a steady online cash flow, but it actually does most of the hard work for them. In fact, all you need is just 3 steps. Step number 1, watch videos. Step number 2, follow simple instructions. Step number 3, start generating cash online. It won't take more than 15 minutes a day. It's simple. Imagine generating cash online every single day without fail. With an additional $5,000 every month, how many relationships and families would be saved? How many more children would be able to get better education because now their families are finally able to afford the school fees? That's why I decided that I need to let as many people into Profit Genesis as possible. And I want you to join me in my goal to help 100,000 people to be financially free. So, fill in your details and click the Get Access Now to let me help you achieve your first $5,000 online.